नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। एक चीज़ मैंने ख़रीदा है आज, तो वो आइए देखते हैं। बाथरूम के लिए ख़रीदा है मैंने उसको, तो बाथरूम के लिए ख़रीदा है तो उसको देखते हैं कैसे उपयोग किया जाए उसका। और चीज़ जो है ये ख़रीदा है मैंने। ये जो है, क्या नाम है इसका, ब्लॉक WC। ये बाथरूम के लिए जो है ख़रीदा है इसको मैंने। इसको पहले पढ़ते हैं इसको क्या लिखा हुआ है इसमें। इसको पहले पढ़ते हैं क्या लिखा हुआ है। इंग्लिश में कहाँ लिखा हुआ है। इंस्ट्रक्शन: ओशियन टॉयलेट रिम ब्लॉक सेंट्स, refreshes, neutralizes, cleans, foaming agents, anti-lime skull, safe for use in specific toilet. Remove the hook attached near to the water supply. Place the support on the toilet rim where the flow of water is more powerful. Keep in its original packaging. Store in a cool and dry place. Composition: 15% of over. This is all the information which I have. This is written. Okay. So it's 3 in 1. Okay, so we are going to open this. Smelling good. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have the 4. Okay, so smelling fantastic. So this is how to put like this. This is the trick to put. Okay, so I don't know, I have to open this plastic or not. Okay, so let's enter in the bathroom. Here this should be like this, or no, this should be like this. I have to adjust here. I had to look how to adjust this. So first thing, I have to break this. Now it is broken. Once it is broken, then I think I have to do this, and I have to open like this, and then I have to adjust like this. Fantastic. Now I have to close this and now I have to look where is the water flow. There I have to put this. Again the water flow. Let's see. Okay, whatever. So fantastic. Even though I see the water is a little bit blue, so I have to use more time this. So this is the one thing which I was thinking from long time to have in my bathroom. Okay, so this is the price was exactly, I don't remember, this €1 like this. I don't remember exactly what was the price of this. Now this for where I have to put, keep it its original packaging, store in a cool and dry place. So store in a cool and dry place. So I have to put this in the cool and dry place. Let's see whether, because earlier I was using another type of the this is the no, what is the, how to call this, rim block, ocean tolerant rim block, deodorizes, refreshes block WC Marino perfume. Okay, so earlier I was using another, but this now, so I have to put this in the dry place. So in the dry place, the best place will be here in the some drawer. I have to put in some drawer, maybe one drawer I can find. I can put there. Yeah, fantastic. Yes, fantastic. Good.